A wedding party was at our meet spot and asked if we could give the newlyweds a memorable visit. The couple is in the porch in front of us and they are filming videos of this moment. I apologize for the unclear view. My Insta360 lens is cracked on one side. Sleepy face emoji. That was a wholesome moment. I hope they are happy with it.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much, bro. Yo, made the night, bro. Made the night, bro. Appreciate it, man. You guys are golden, man. You guys made an amazing night. Appreciate it. Really appreciate it. You guys are freaking amazing. Yo, you guys are amazing, man. I really appreciate that, man. That was sick. That was wicked. That was wicked. Thank you guys, man. Thank you guys. Thank you.